Hello everyone. So in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you how to make double text effect in Canva. So let's start with it. So we will be clicking Instagram post as our canvas. We will zoom it so it gets easier for you to see, and from the uploads, as you can see, we have uploaded two images, one of the main image and another of the remove background image. So we will be needing both of that. So for removing background, we have found another website which is fococlipping.com, and it does a very good work with removing backgrounds. And previously we were using pixlr.com, which I have shared in some of the tutorials, as you have seen, but that was having some problem with working on it. So we have shifted to this one. So let me show you how it works. So we'll click on upload an image and we'll click on the main image here. So as you can see, it has removed the background perfectly, and if you download, you can also find that the resolution remains similar to the actual image. So I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. You can just click it here and download it. So let's use the main image and select set image as background by using the right click. Okay, so we have done that. Now we use this image and we'll paste it above this one by adjusting it. So let's do it. So it is, as you can see, is perfectly done. So we'll just adjust the scaling here for the above image which I have used for the remove background one. So we have done it here. Now we'll do the double text effect. So we'll go to text, use add a heading, and we will write here double text, and we will do it in italics. So we have done it. So to select all the text, you have to do Ctrl A, and then you can change it to italics as you want. So if you are selecting by default add a heading, it is by default in bold, so you can change it to bold. As you can see, it is disabled. So let's make it bigger in size so that it becomes visible, the effect. And now let's decrease the line spacing here, so the effect looks more cool here. And after that, you will just click it one time, right click, and send to backward. Okay, it is done. Now select the text again and go to here in this three dots and click on duplicate. If you are finding this duplicate button here, you can also click that, or if you want. So after that, you have to readjust it with the previous one, and now for this you have to come to effects here and click on hollow. Okay, so I will readjust it, the hollow part, so that it looks cool for me. So as you can see, this looks cool, and just increasing a little bit. And as you can see, the double text effect is done. As you can see here, the effects which are covering the body are in hollow part, while the effects which are not covering the body in shadows. So you can just adjust it a bit so that the effects get adjusted in a proper way, and thus you can see the effect is complete and it looks cool here. So this is the tutorial, and if you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel and please stay with us with the next tutorials, and please do comment in our video if you like this tutorial and if this tutorial helped you in any way. Thank you.